how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month. And you won't need any skill, you will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply all of that I mentioned before. So first of all, open your favorite browser, then go to the search and type Google Maps. Then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States, because this is the market we are going to apply the method in. It's the best market you can work on. And keep in mind that the services that we're going to offer are the removing the bad reviews from the Google Maps profiles, renovating or creating websites, and also managing social media platforms and doing marketing if needed. So we're just going to study the profiles, see what are the things that they would be in need of, and then we're going to call them directly, or just leave them an email or a message talking about the benefits of getting our services and how badly it is with their bad reviews and with not having a website. So I'm going to zoom in on the United States to show you what I'm talking about. So here, let's zoom in and let's choose a state or a city to start our explanation. Let's go with Seattle here. Let's zoom in on Seattle. Let's just zoom in, and here go to the search again and type any kind of small business you'd want to start with. For example, let's start with auto repair in here, and click on search to see all of the auto repair garages that are available in this place. So here we have the downtown automotive. So guys, the first thing I want you to look for in choosing the right or the perfect business owners are the reviews. So always make sure that the profile has less than 150 reviews, and also make sure they are not sponsored in any way, shape or form. So this one is not sponsored, but they have a lot of reviews. They have more than a 300 review. Same thing with this one, more than 600 reviews, more than 200 reviews. And this one is perfect for us. They've got 72 reviews. So let's check this one in here. Let's see their profile. Brothers Auto Repair, 72 reviews. This is their website. Let's see if it's working or not. So they didn't even purchase a domain name, so that's something we can offer them. Also, the website looks a bit old. As you can see, it looks like a blog. It's not even like a website, it looks like a blog. So you can also offer the service of renovating their website. So that's now towards a service we can offer them. Let's scroll down to see this is their number in case we're going to call them. We're going to come back to that later. Let's scroll down to see if we can find some bad reviews about this garage, and the bad reviews are going to give us another opportunity or another service to offer them, which is removing the bad reviews. So let's scroll down till we find a 3-star or less review. That's what we're looking for. This is the first one, 1-star review. This used to be a stand-up place, and although my husband was quoted a fair price at first, when he returned to have the work done, the guy, possible owner, pulled the lady at customer counter to the back and made her raise her very fair quote to something absolutely ridiculous, like double what was initially quoted, with no real explanation. as to the increase. Like if you don't want our business say so, we ended up taking our car somewhere else and got it fixed for lower than the original quote that I was given by these guys. Not sure if this is the standard, but yikes. So this is a review from a local guide. So this is a bad review for the reputation of Brothers Auto Repair. It would make the business look very awful and bad in front of the Google Maps visitors or the Google Maps visitors that are looking for auto repair garages. So this is another one in here. This is the response from the owner. As you can see, hi Jenny, thank you for reaching out. We here at Brothers Auto Repair currently have no woman employed on our team and have no record of you as a customer. We are afraid you have mistaken our business for another. So this is a bad review that we can take advantage of. As you can see, it's not even for this business. The local guide have mistaken them with someone else. So you can approach the business owners and they would be eager to remove this review. That is very good for us. We can use this to convince the business owners to hire us. And for the removing the bad reviews, you will not need to learn any skill or to take any tutoring classes or anything. You just go to fiverr.com. So for example, this service of removing the bad reviews, you can say that you're going to do it for more than $100. It's worth it. And then you go to fiverr.com in here, give it a few seconds to load, and here we're going to hire a freelancer that is going to do the job instead of us. As you can see, we're going to pay them $25 and they will do the removing of the bad reviews, so we'd be left with $75. So I think you get the idea, guys, of how you can do this method. It's very lucrative if you apply it to the other business owners. And also make sure to get as many bad reviews as you can, because those bad reviews will help you convince the business owners that they need your service. Because if you just say I'm going to remove the bad reviews and you don't show them actually those bad reviews and how they can affect the business for worst, they won't even pay attention to you. So I think, guys, you get the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.